Welcome to tagDiv tutorials. Today we shall explore how to import, duplicate, delete, and set a single post template on your website using the Cloud library and the tagDiv composer in newspaper theme. Starting with newspaper version 10.3.5 and onwards, setting and importing templates can be done on the front end of your website. Simply go to one of your articles and look at the top of the page on your admin bar. Notice the white button with the name of the currently applied single post template. Click on it to bring up the list of the templates you have. To change the single post template on the current post or article, all you need to do is click on the name of a different single post template. You can switch between them easily, just like that. While hovering over one of the titles, you can spot an icon next to them in the shape of 3 dots. This icon will bring up the delete, duplicate, and edit buttons. So if you want to get rid of some of the imported single post templates, just click on the trash icon. Whereas if you want to duplicate one of them, you just need to click on the paper icon. The edit button lets you change the name of the single post template. To import a new template, you need to click on the green Cloud Library button. This will open up the tagDiv Cloud library from which you can browse and select a new single post template. Click on one of them and then hit the Create Template button. This will apply the new template right on your article, live. To apply it globally, you need to click on its name again to bring up the Cloud Templates bar, and then check the Global column to assign it for your entire website. Great! Now all of your articles would have this template on them. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please write to us via our forum or use the email provided in the description box.